Good morning, students. Today we are continuing our chapter number 2, and our new topic is decimals. The numbers that can be expressed in decimal form are called decimal numbers, or simply we can say decimals. Right? Examples देखिए 9.5, 3.905, 0.009, etc. We never say like this 3.905. No, it is 3.905, 0.009. Right? A decimal has two parts. First, that is whole number part, and second, that is decimal part. Like a decimal number, I'm taking 6.29. In this, 6 क्या कहलाएगा? whole number part. And this is called decimal point. जो ये पॉइंट आप बीच में लगा रहे हैं. एंड आफ्टर पॉइंट, आफ्टर डेसिमल, जो डिजिट्स हैं वो क्या कहलाती हैं? डेसिमल पार्ट कहलाती है. और हम इसे कैसे प्रोनाउंस करेंगे? 6.29. नाउ लाइक डेसिमल्स. what is the meaning of like decimals? Decimals having the same number of decimal places are known as like decimals, like 3.425, 6.392, 0.005. Each of these has 3 decimal places: 123, 123, and 123. If the number of decimal places are equal, then they called like decimals. Right? Next is our unlike decimals. Decimals having different number of decimal places, like 35.19 is having 2 decimal places, and 1.135 is having 3 decimal places. Then they said unlike decimals. क्यों? क्योंकि इनके जो decimal places हैं वो uneven हैं, different हैं. Next is our expanded form of a decimal. First, how to write the expanded form? First, we look after the place value chart. Place value chart of decimals. ये तो आपने पढ़ रखा है, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, etc. Right? And in this decimal value place value chart, how do we place decimals? जो पॉइंट के जस्ट बाद वाला होता है वो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? टेंस. TENTHS. जो उससे नेक्स्ट होता है वो होता है हंड्रेड्स. 100 THS. देन थाउजेंड्स. THS. राइट? सो द फर्स्ट नंबर विल बी 215.001. Your second number will be 73.25, and third number will be 999.359. Now we will write these in expanded form. 215.001. आपने होल नंबर को एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में तो लिखा हुआ ही है. क्या करते थे हम? 5 तो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होता था, प्लस 1 जो है क्योंकि वो टेंस प्लेस पे है तो वो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई होता था, और 2 जो हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे है वो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई होता था. राइट? एंड नाउ कम टू द डेसिमल पार्ट. जो ये फर्स्ट डेसिमल पार्ट है वो किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा? ये क्योंकि ये टेंस प्लेस पे है तो ये 1/10 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, प्लस नेक्स्ट ये हंड्रेड्स प्लेस पे है तो ये 1/100 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, और ये थाउजेंड्स प्लेस पे है तो ये 1/1000 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. राइट? सिमिलरली फॉर दिस 73.25, 7 is going to multiply with 10 because it is on tens place. 3 is on ones place, so 3 is going to multiply with 1, plus 2 is on tens place. 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा 1/10 से, एंड 5 मल्टीप्लाई होगा 1/100 से. राइट? नाउ फॉर दिस 999.351 ऊपर 9 into 100, this 9 plus this into 10 plus this 9 into 1. Now the decimal places 3 into 1 upon 10 plus 5 into 1 upon 100 and plus 9 into 1 upon 1000. Or we can write this like 900 plus 90 plus 9 plus 3 upon 10. 3 1 ja 3 upon 10. 5 into 1, 5 1 ja 5 upon 100 and 9 1 ja 9 upon 1000. Right? Now, our next topic is comparison of decimals. Yes, children, how do we compare decimals? There are a few steps that we have to follow. Step number 1, convert all unlike into like decimals. What it means? Like I am taking an example, 4.6, 7.4, 4.58. It has one decimal place, 1, 2, 2, 2. They are unlike decimals. So the first step is saying, first you have to convert all the unlike decimals into like decimals. ये मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे करेंगे. Now come to second step. Compare the whole number part. Then we compare the whole number part, and if the whole number part will be same, then we jump upon the decimal part. The first decimal part that is 10th place, वो हम चेक करेंगे. अगर वो भी इक्वल है तो हम फर्दर मूव करेंगे हंड्रेड्स पे और देन थाउजेंड्स पे एंड सो ऑन. राइट? आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जाम्पल 4.6, 7.4, 4.58, 7.32, 3.06, and we have to arrange in ascending order. Now, the very first step that we have to make them all like decimals. They are now they are like अभी तो ये कैसे हैं? Unlike है, because it is having one decimal place, it is having two decimal place. How do we make them like decimals? By putting a zero at the last. Like यहाँ पे 2 decimal places हैं और यहाँ पर एक ही है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, लास्ट में एक ज़ीरो लगा देंगे. इससे क्या होता है, ना तो जो नंबर है उसकी वैल्यू चेंज होती है. 4.6 is same as 4.60, right? 7.4 is same as 7.40, and now we have converted all as like decimals. All are having 2 decimal places. Now come to our second step, that is compare the whole number part. 4, 7, 4, 7, 3. The smallest part is 3. So the smallest decimal will be 3.06, and among 4.60 and 4.58, the whole part is same, whole number part is same. Then come to the 10th place. Here it is 6 and here it is 5. Which is small? This 4.58 is smaller than 4.60. So second place, second number will be 4.58 and third will be 4.60. Right? Now 7.40 and 7.432. Here the whole number part is same, and 4 on 10th place. Here 3 on 10th place. Which is greater? This is. And which is smaller? This is. So then 7.32 and 7.40. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करने का फ़ायदा कितना हुआ. अगर आप यहाँ 7.4 लिखते और यहाँ लिखा होता 7.32, तो आपको क्या लगता कि 32 तो ग्रेटर है 4 से, जबकि ऐसा नहीं है. 7.4 is similar as 7.40 and it is greater than 7.32. It is mandatory to make them like decimal first and then compare which is smaller, which is greater. That's all for today, students. I am sending you the pic of this exercise 2D, and you have to complete question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3.